Hello everyone, meet the unstoppable passenger bus. Not for roads but for adventure. 6 massive wheels, 10 tons of axle strength. Nothing gets in its way. Inside, space for 25 people. Bring your team, your family, your explorers. Also, there are 2 seats in the driving area. Also have 3-point seat belt. Powerful 340 horsepower engine. Full control with a 12-gear manual transmission. Over 8 meters long, more than 3 meters tall, a true giant. A wheelbase designed for balance. A weight of over 10 tons for stability. This bus goes where others stop. It's not just a bus, it's your gateway. To remote places, to shared moments, to the journey itself. The 6x6 all-terrain passenger bus, your adventure, our mission. Brought to you by Hubei Off-Road Special Vehicle. This is your host Mungjia, signing out.